might need to be changed out eventually, shortly, very soon.
I'll take you. You wanted that freaking fluke, but you settled for the spinnerbait. Where's all my 3-pounders? I've come out here and only caught 3-pounders before.
You little bitch.
You missed another one? I get them. I get them. Don't worry about it. Other side of the log this time?
No, okay, fine.
Oh, well, we went to the other side.
You
Let's
might
go
go on
around.
to the other side and play as well. You did fit in there.
He did. Better fish. Alright. You unhooked yourself. I like that. I like that. If you all did that. What's up, buddy? Come here. Get out there.